Okay, we're going to continue this theme for CSS, but this time we're going to create a box in CSS which is going to be formatted to go on a certain side of the screen, and we're also going to put some text in there as well and format that text. So, new CSS rule defined in this CSS thing. You only need one CSS file, and this one I'm going to call orange box. I'm going to click on OK. So I'm going to choose the type of font. I want it to be Verdanda. I want the size of the font in the box to be 14. I want the color of the text in the box to be a dark color. I also want the background of the box to be a certain color, and I'm going to type it in. I want it to be hashtag, this is a hexadecimal color, FF6633. It's a sort of orangey color. I want to look at the type. The block of text, the text alignment I want to be justified, left and right text justification. I'm going to click on the box itself. I'm going to make the width of the box 300 pixels wide, and I'm going to make the height of the box 400. I'm going to put some padding inside the box, just 5 pixels, and I'm also going to put a margin around the box which is going to be 5 pixels too. This is so the box will have a space around the outside and it will have some space around the inside. I'm going to click on the positioning of the box, and I'm going to make the box fixed in its position. Then I'm going to click on apply, and I'm going to click on OK. I'm then going to highlight this text, and I'm going to apply the class to it, and I'm going to apply orange box. And you can see what happens very quickly is that it does all of those things in one movement. Of course, our home logo, our home picture, is still got the class applied of the image float right in the previous video, and now the box itself is over on this side. If you wanted to adjust the box at all, you could float the whole box right. So maybe we could look at that by clicking on CSS, orange box. We've got float right for the image, but our box at the moment is floating left. If we wanted it to float right, perhaps we could type in here float colon right semicolon. And what you see as you click over here is you see exactly what's happened, and the box moves over. So now we're applying multiple CSS to a particular area. If I wanted to increase the size of the pixels of the font, I could do that, and it would change the whole CSS in that area. Be careful, the more you put in, when it starts doing this, you need to have either less text in there perhaps. This business of the box being positioned in that size means that it won't stretch beyond our 400 high, which is what we put here, the height 400. Of course, if you wanted it bigger for whatever reason, it would do that. Okay, have a play with CSS.